Hello everyone, hope you guys doing good and safe. Today I'm going to share with you about sunscreen. What mm, you need to know about sunscreen, about ultraviolet radiation and how it affects us and how to keep your skin safe. like Basically, UV rays are broken down into three different bands: UVA, UVB, UVC. So UVA rays come deeper into the skin and all the way into the inner layers, and UVB rays come in contact with the outer layer of the skin. UVC is the shortest um, and not long enough to reach our skin. So how to stay protected with a UV rays? The first thing is you can choose nice hat and or clothing to keep your skin safe and protected from harmful ultraviolet rays, and use a sunscreen for the hottest part of the day, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. And you can wear nice sunglasses. Also drink lots of water. Okay, always use sunscreen with at least SPF 50, 30, and check the expiry date before you use. Also apply it around 30 minutes before you go out in the sun, and make sure apply thick layer, and if you can reapply every 2 hours. And I recommend SPF 30 because I use SPF 30 sunscreen daily, and SPF 30 blocks about 97% of ultraviolet B rays. So I recommend for you guys use SPF 30 sunblock. So next thing is who needs sunscreen? The short answer is everyone, and children over 6 months of age should use sunscreen every day. Also, the risks are serious. Skin cancer affects over 3 million people each year, according to an article in the Journal of the American Medical Association. So now you know how much important wearing sunscreen, and apply best sunscreen. Enjoy summer ahead. Love from Bruce. Bye bye.